Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. Before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button, tap on bell icon, tap on all to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. So first of all, you have to open Play Store application from your phone. Download and install the Heron Fast private browser. After installation, open it. And then you will see an interface like this. Now type google.com on the search bar. And then tap on search. And then tap on sign in. And then you will land here. And here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. Then here Google will ask you to enter your password. You have already forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password. And then you will land here. And here Google will ask you about two-step verification. So if you lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number, simply tap on try another way to sign in. And then you will land here. And here you will see kind of error like this. Could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one important thing in your mind. You don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Simply minimize from here. Open the Play Store application and then search the Quick Connect VPN. Install the VPN. And then tap on open. Now you have to create an account. Tap on create account and then you will land here. Now fill out the form and then tap on register. And then tap on while using the app. And then tap on tap to connect. And then tap on agree and continue. Tap on allow. Tap on allow again. Tap on OK. Minimize from here. Now open the Gmail app. At the top right side, you will see profile icon. Tap on it. And then you will see add another account. Tap on it. Then tap on Google. Now enter your lock screen password. And then you will land here. Now enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then you will land here. And here you have to set a strong password. First of all, you have to decide your new password. And then you have to confirm your new password. And then tap on save password. Here you can see that your password was changed. Now quickly go to the security section. Update your mobile number and recovery email. The benefit of this is that if you ever forget your Gmail password in the future, you will be able to recover it very easily. Thank you for watching this video.